Good morning everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 15 from the chapter of oscillations. The topic is the calculation of time period of a simple pendulum when placed in a horizontal electric field. So the question for this session is, find the time period of a simple pendulum having a bob of mass small m and carrying a charge small q when placed in a horizontal electric field of intensity E. Here the effective length of the string of this simple pendulum which is connected to this bob is equal to small l. So here I have already drawn one simple diagram here. So this is the pendulum which is suspended from a rigid support. This is the string whose effective length is equal to L. This is the bob of mass small m and carrying a charge q. Now because of this horizontal electric field, an electrostatic force will be exerted on this bob, and the direction of this force will either be this one or it will be this one. If the direction of the electric field is on the right side of this bob, then the force F, this will be equal to Q into E, and this will be acting in the direction of the electric field. Whereas if the direction of the electric field is on the left side of this bob, then the electrostatic force, which is equal to QE, will be acting on the left side, will be acting on it on the left side of this bob, that is in the direction as given by this arrow. So, and because of this electrostatic force, the acceleration which is generated in the horizontal direction, because F is equal to m into A, will be equal to QE divided by m, where m is the mass of the bob, E is the intensity of the electric field, and Q is the charge on this bob. Now this bob is also experiencing the acceleration due to gravity, which is acting in the this vertical direction downward. So in this case we have to find the net acceleration of this bob because of this electrostatic force and due to the acceleration due to gravity which is acting vertically downward. So here the acceleration in the horizontal direction due to this electrostatic force is equal to QE divided by m, and the net acceleration of the bob, this will be equal to under root of, that is g square plus QE upon m whole square. Now the time period of a simple pendulum, in this case say t dash, this will be equal to 2 pi under root L, where L is the effective length of the string which is connected to this bob, and divided by this net acceleration. This net acceleration is equal to under root of g square plus QE or Q square E square divided by m square. So this is the time period of this simple pendulum when it is placed in a horizontal electric field. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session we will be discussing about the different types of vibration. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.